Chocolate bars have been a favorite treat for centuries, but none have created as much buzz as the Dubai chocolate bar. This Dubai chocolate bar has won over chocolate lovers around the globe, and if you've ever tasted it, you already know just how delicious it is. It's the kind of treat that keeps you coming back for more, leaving you craving not just another bite, but also curious about how it's made. So, what goes into making this delicious treat? Buckle up as we dive into the fascinating process behind its creation in this. Dubai chocolate is a sweet sensation that first hit the scene in 2012, crafted by Fix, a dessert chocolatier in Dubai. Surprisingly, this company wasn't owned by a seasoned chocolatier. It was the brainchild of Sarah Hamada, a 38-year-old British-Egyptian entrepreneur who had zero experience in the food industry. The name Fix stands for freaking incredible experience, and if you've ever tried their chocolate bar made with crispy pistachio and tahini paste wrapped in silky chocolate, you'd probably agree. The hype surrounding the Dubai chocolate bar was off the charts, with its demand skyrocketing almost instantly. By 2024, the chocolate became a social media hit, thanks to TikTok influencers who compared it to finding gold in Dubai. Its popularity exploded, making demand go through the roof and creating intense competition. Prices shot up, and buying Dubai chocolate started to feel more like an investment than a treat. It even sparked a black market frenzy, with people hoarding bars and selling them for huge profits. There were even reports of burglaries where thieves targeted the chocolate. Smuggling also joined the madness. In October 2024, Austrian customs arrested smugglers trying to sneak in 2,540 bars of the chocolate as if it were contraband goods. So what? What makes Dubai chocolate so special? And let's look at how these chocolate bars are made. Let's start by looking at the ingredients used in the production process: chocolate, cacao, pistachio, tahini, and kanafa. In Dubai, many premium chocolatiers follow the bean-to-bar process. This means they oversee every step of production, ensuring the highest quality and freshness. Therefore, they source cocoa beans, or powder, from some of the world's finest cacao-growing regions, including South America, Africa, and Southeast Asia. These beans are selected for their distinct flavor, ensuring each bar is a masterpiece. After the cacao beans arrive, they're carefully roasted to bring out their rich, complex flavors. This step is essential as it sets the tone for the chocolate's final taste. The roasted beans are cracked open and the husks are separated from the cacao nibs. The nibs are the heart of the chocolate-making process, holding all the flavor potential. The nibs are ground into a smooth paste called cacao liquor. This is where the magic begins, as the liquor is refined with milk, often camel milk for a Dubai signature, sugar and other natural ingredients to achieve the desired texture and taste. Cacao is a shredded phyllo pastry commonly used in Middle Eastern desserts. Its fine, noodle-like strands add a unique texture and can be easily found in most Arabic specialty stores. Often considered an elevated version of traditional phyllo dough, its delicate crunch surpasses that of typical wafer bars. Cacao is typically bought pre-shredded because, well, nobody's got time to make it from scratch. But for mass production, they soak the frozen pastry overnight in sugar syrup before the strands are gently separated. After that, the cacao will be finely chopped on a cutting board. The smaller the pieces, the better they integrate with other components of the filling. Then the strands are spread on a baking tray, drizzled with melted butter and toasted at 350 degrees Fahrenheit or 175 degrees Celsius. It's to be stirred occasionally to prevent uneven browning because nobody likes burnt edges, and it will be done within 10 to 15 minutes. Pistachio is a small green nut covered in a hard beige shell, reputable for its rich buttery flavor and vibrant color. It comes from the pistachio tree, which grows in dry, warm climates like the Middle East. For the chocolate bar, the nuts are finely ground into a smooth, creamy paste. Tahini is a creamy paste made from ground sesame seeds. It has a nutty, slightly earthy flavor and a smooth, oily texture. In the Dubai chocolate bar, it adds a nutty flavor and balances the sweetness. Pistachio kanafa is a popular Middle Eastern dessert made with thin shredded pastry or semina dough. It has a rich filling of sweet cheese or creamy clotted cream. The dessert is soaked in a sweet syrup that's flavored with rose water or orange blossom water, giving it a fragrant taste. The next step is to create the chocolate compartment. This chocolate enclosure is created by using premium quality dark chocolate chips as the foundation for the signature bars. To achieve the perfect texture and shine, a precise amount of coconut oil is blended into the chocolate. This enhances the chocolate's consistency, ensuring it flows smoothly and sets with a luxurious glossy finish. The chocolate is then gently melted using specialized temperature-controlled equipment to maintain its integrity. Heating is done in short intervals with constant stirring to ensure the chocolate remains velvety smooth. This careful process prevents overheating, preserving the chocolate's flavor and texture while preparing it for the next stage. Simple. Rectangular molds are designed for their signature bars. These molds are essential in shaping the chocolate while allowing for an effortless release after setting. Once the chocolate is melted to perfection, a precise amount is poured into each cavity of the mold. Using a specialized tool, the chocolatiers spread the chocolate evenly across the bottom and sides, ensuring a consistent thickness. This step is critical in creating a sturdy shell that not only holds the content of the bar but also delivers the satisfying snap that defines high-quality chocolate. The molds are then transferred to a temperature-controlled refrigerator to allow the chocolate shell to set. While this has been completed, the next step is the fillings are created, packed with pistachios and kanafa. The heart of the Dubai chocolate bar is its decadent filling, where the signature flavor lies. It offers a creamy, nutty richness that balances perfectly with the crispness of the key and the chocolate's smooth finish. The filling process begins by combining pistachio paste and tahini in a 2-to-1 ratio. This balance ensures that the pistachio's nutty sweetness takes center stage, while the tahini adds depth with its roasted sesame notes. The toasted KFI is then mixed with the prepared pistachio filling. The crunch of the kai goes hand in hand beautifully with the creamy filling, creating a delightful textural experience with every bite. The assembly of the Dubai chocolate bar is where the artistry truly shines. Once the chocolate shells are set, the pistachio tahini filling is carefully spooned into each mold. The filling is applied with precision, ensuring even distribution while leaving a small gap at the top of each mold. This space is important for the final layer of chocolate that seals the bar. The reserve melted chocolate is reheated to the ideal consistency and poured over the filling, completely covering it and sealing the edges. The assembled bars are returned to a temperature-controlled environment where they are left to set for a precise amount of time. Once the chocolate is hardened, the bars are carefully removed from the molds. Quality checks ensure every bar reaches towering standards, much like the Dubai skyline. From the glossy finish to the even layers, every detail is meticulously inspected. Only bars that meet these rigorous standards are deemed ready for packaging, which is why the Dubai chocolate bar is still a scarce commodity despite its popularity. Have you ever tried a Dubai chocolate bar, and were you surprised by the amount of work that goes into it? Let us know in the comments section. Please like, share, and subscribe for more interesting videos.